What if the secret to living past a century wasn't hidden in a lab, but already sitting in your kitchen? It connects to scientific breakthroughs so profound, they earned the highest honor. Decades ago, doctors faced epidemics they couldn't cure: paralysis, bleeding to death, bones softening. The answers weren't found in new drugs, but in invisible compounds within our meals. Today, we reveal the 5 Nobel Prize-winning nutrients that dictate your lifespan and the everyday foods that hold them. Our first discovery starts with a widespread paralysis. In the 19th century, a condition called beriberi swept through regions reliant on one staple food. Victims suffered heart failure and nerve damage. A breakthrough came not from studying humans, but from observing chickens. A scientist found birds fed exclusively polished white rice developed the same horrific symptoms, while those eating the whole, brown grain remained healthy. This led to the isolation of vitamin B1, or thiamine. Why does this matter for a long life? Thiamine is the essential catalyst that allows your cell's power plants, the mitochondria, to convert fuel into energy. Without it, even with ample calories, your body stalls. Your brain fog thickens, your nerves misfire, and your muscles waste. The milling of rice removed the outer husk rich in B1, creating a deadly deficiency. To ensure you get enough, focus on whole foods. Pork loin is a potent source. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats retain their life-giving outer layers. Legumes, such as navy beans and chickpeas, along with seeds like flax and hemp, provide steady, plant-based energy support. Your food isn't just fuel. It's the software your body runs on. If the first vitamin was cracked in a feed yard, the second was solved on the high seas. For generations, sailors on long voyages were ravaged by scurvy. Their bodies literally fell apart, gums bleeding, wounds reopening. The cure was shockingly simple: hiding in citrus fruits. But the molecule responsible, vitamin C, wasn't identified until the 1930s, earning a Nobel Prize. This vitamin is far more than an anti-scurvy agent. It's a master antioxidant, shielding your DNA from the oxidative damage that accelerates aging. It's crucial for building collagen, the scaffold of your skin and blood vessels, and for robust immune function. Modern low levels are linked to chronic fatigue, poor healing, and high inflammation, all barriers to longevity. You can load up on vitamin C from kiwi fruits, which often surpass oranges. Bell peppers, especially the red ones, strawberries, and citrus are packed with it. Don't overlook broccoli and cauliflower. They offer a significant boost, particularly when steamed lightly. But what if one vitamin acted as a traffic director for your entire skeletal system? That brings us to vitamin K. The initial discovery came from animals bleeding out on fat-free diets. A Danish researcher pinpointed a missing fat-soluble compound, dubbing it vitamin K for coagulation. His Nobel-winning work revealed a nutrient without which bleeding never stops. The deeper modern revelation is its role as calcium's conductor. Vitamin K guides calcium into your bones, strengthening them, and actively shuttles it away from your artery walls, preventing dangerous hardening. This dual function makes it a longevity powerhouse. You find vitamin K1 in leafy green scale, Swiss chard, spinach. For the superior K2, seek out fermented foods. The champion is natto, a Japanese fermented soybean, linked to remarkable bone health and longevity. Full-fat cheeses from grass-fed animals and egg yolks also contributes valuable K2. Our fourth vitamin story begins not with food, but with sunlight. Children in smoggy northern industrial cities developed rickets, their bones becoming soft and deformed. The link to sun deprivation was key, and the Nobel Prize was awarded for unraveling how sunlight on skin creates vitamin D. Think of vitamin D as the foreman for calcium construction. It's not the building material, but it dictates how well your body absorbs and uses it for strong bones and muscles. Deficiency isn't just weak bones. It's a dimming of your body's resilience. Beyond skeletal health, it regulates immunity and controls inflammation. Low levels are tied to frailty and cognitive decline. While sensible sun exposure is ideal, dietary sources are vital. Oily fish, salmon, herring, sardines are excellent. Egg yolks and mushrooms treated with UV light can also boost your intake. Finally, a vitamin that shapes how you interact with the world. Vitamin A. Early research into night blindness and total blindness uncovered its non-negotiable role in vision, a discovery that secured a Nobel. Its longevity superpower, however, is in defense and repair. Vitamin A maintains the integrity of your skin and mucous membranes, your first line of immune defense. It powers the cells that fight pathogens and is crucial for tissue regeneration. Without it, your defenses crumble and aging accelerates. You can get pre-formed vitamin A from animal liver, egg yolks, and grass-fed butter. Your body can also convert beta-carotene from vibrantly colored plants. Think sweet potatoes, carrots, butternut squash, and dark leafy greens. From thiamine to retinol, these Nobel-rewarded discoveries illuminate a profound principle. The compounds in whole foods are biological commands, instructing your cells to build, defend, and thrive for decades. By choosing these foods, you're not just eating, you're programming your body for a longer, healthier life. If this perspective on food and longevity resonated with you, please support this channel. ALIKE on this video helps Wines of Thought share more insights like this. Thank you for watching.